So what we're doing here at Aboyade, guys, listen. So right now you can see that I turned on the camera. So I have already told you now, any subject, mathematics, biology, geography, you must learn the history of the subject, you must learn the language of the subject, and then once you learn the history and the language, you must start to create with that history and language to help us achieve sustainable development goals and adaptability development goals. Any subject, be it mathematics, every subject has its own language. Mathematics has its language, and that language is called numbers. Biology has its own language. 2. Physics has its own language. Chemistry has its own language. Right? So, you must learn the history of that subject. From the history of the subject, you must learn the language of that subject. And from the language, you must use the history and the language which has given you wisdom and vision. The history of any subject, the language of any subject will give you history, will give you wisdom and vision to start to create. Okay? So that's the lesson today in our creativity and design class. So you've learned how to create creative intelligence by learning history, language to create. Until next time, stay well and stay blessed. Goodbye. Everybody say goodbye. You're watching Royal Image TV. What are you doing on the board then?
History of creativity. Language of creativity. Great.
Thank you. So you must learn once you learn the history of creativity and the language of creativity, you must use the history and the language, which is the wisdom and the vision of creativity to create. I'm Oluwole, and until next time, stay well and stay blessed. Goodbye. They are watching you in space. Say goodbye to everybody in space. Goodbye. Oh yeah, go and sit down. Guys, go and sit down.